intersection departure behind a heavy. I needed 3 minutes. I didn't have the 3 minutes, and that was why I gave you the missed approach.
That's no problem. I don't want to think that.
Shamrock 119, line up runway 10.
Line up 10, Shamrock 119.
Okay, all doors and hatches are closed, ready to connect.
Shamrock 119, wind 120 degrees, 1 knots, runway 10, clear takeoff.
Clear takeoff 10, Shamrock 119.
Messenger 4 Quebec Romeo, contact ground 121.8.
118.
Ryanair 17 Tango Lima, the wind 120 degrees, 1 knots, runway 10, clear to land.
Clear land 10, Ryanair 17 Tango Lima.
So connected and bypass pin inserted. Release parking brake. Starting pushback.
Tower Shamrock 119, there is bird activity both sides of the runway.
Tower, roger.
Regulation Shamrock 33 Juliet, 6 miles 10.
Shamrock 33 Juliet, good afternoon, surface wind 130 degrees, 12 knots. Number 1, continue.
Continue Shamrock 33 Juliet.
Scandinavian 70 off, the line of runway 10.
Line up from 10, Scandinavian 70 off.
Ryanair 8016, just advise there's traffic going to depart from Echo 7, 2 items slot restricted. Apologies for that, but you're number 3.
No worries, copy Ryanair 16.
Ryanair 17 Tango Lima, vacate left Echo 3, Hotel 2, hold short runway 34.
Echo 3 Hotel 2, short 34, Ryanair 17 Tango.
8 from unvacated ground 121.8, thanks.
Ground 21.8, Ryanair 17 Tango.
Scandinavian 70 Alpha, surface wind 130 degrees, 12 knots, runway 10, clear takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 10, Scandinavian 70 Alpha.
Sherman 33 Juliet, surface wind 130 degrees, 12 knots, runway 10, clear to land.
Operation complete. Set parking brake. Disconnecting tow. Stand by.
Santa 979, surface wind 120 degrees, 11 knots, runway 10, clear takeoff.
Santa 979,
Ryanair 10 November, vacate left, Echo 3, Hotel 2, hold short runway 34.
Echo 3 Hotel 2, hold short 34, Ryanair 10 November.
Atari 096, roger, line up and wait on runway 28.
Line up, rate 3, Atari 09.
ready now?
Taylor 677, we are ready.
Roger. Avion Bravo, now 1 center, clear to land. 160 degrees, 8 knots, yes, 1 3.
Clear to land, 1 center, Navia 1 Bravo.
Clear to land 1 center, 1608, this 13.
Clear to land 1 center, Carolina 46.
Kilometer 395, make aboard 3 kilo, runway 2476, clear for takeoff.
Swiss Mike 4 kilo, departure, clear to take off runway 24, Kilometer 395.
80 knots. E1 rotate. Positive rate.
So that's 503, limit 1507, 111, clear for takeoff.
400.
Takeoff to Zambia 580.
1000.
Clear for takeoff runway 24, bye-bye. Kilo 1031. Tower, is the police here one? Hello, police here one. Police here one is approaching from the east to 1000 feet. Select to come in for the next possible direct.
Yeah, police here one, please in, fighting 1000 kilo, information from Delta, Q&A from 011, will be on our way to
direct from 011 for the 22, 301.
Hello, Jersey 490 Bravo, through runway 24, Lisa, Sierra 4, Sierra 5, for Jersey 490 Bravo. Bravo, line up away to runway 24, Sierra 5. Fast away at runway 24, Sierra 5, Jersey 496 down.
We are all happy to offer you any assistance you may require throughout the flight. Our in-flight entertainment has
Jersey 496 Bravo, runway 24, Sierra 5, please today, go wind 19014, Jersey 21. Traffic take up 24, Charger, Jersey 496 Bravo. Up 358, wind calm, runway 33, clear to land.
Clear to land, 33, keep on.
Okay, tower, thanks much.
variable at 2 knots, runway 33, please go ahead.